Can you see that little opening right there? That's the reason I'm able to stay in Pune. Otherwise I would have gone home because there is no provision for food other than that place. So thank you. Everything is shut. Everything is shut. Everything is shut. I just received this whole parcel from Ubisoft as I'll be working from home for next couple of days, months, years, God knows till when. So yeah, this is CPU, monitor, keyboard, headphones. Yeah, headphones. Yeah, those are headphones. So let's just unbox it because everything is content, right? Monitor only, yeah, monitor here. I thought I got console or what. Yeah, okay, mouse. LED must be. Yeah, that's there. Well, it's a kick-ass monitor. Like it's big. It's bigger than mine. Mine is I think 21 or 22. This is 24, 25. I don't know. This one is huge, big. That's right there, Intel i7. Woo! And I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it is GeForce RTX, bitch. Cool. But this table is already occupied. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Actually, I have used these ones. They were of my sister, and I used it during lockdown. So I have Bluetooth earphones, but when you have to play games, there is a lot of lag now in Bluetooth device. So that's why I thought of getting one pair of wired earphones. So yeah, it's cost around 550 rupees. So pretty basic. क्या वो अनटैंगल्ड वायर और ये माइक्रोफोन और इजी पीजी ईयरफोन. It's 30th July and today is Thursday and I have to take my bike to the showroom because it needs some servicing. And I know I'm looking like a mess because I haven't taken a bath from last 2 years. Just kidding, 6 days. I hope that's okay. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to take a bath now and I think I'll be much better then. Much better. Also, I try not to have an apple per day because my girlfriend is a doctor. I hope you order. Let's go! I forgot to tell you guys that I came to Pune on 9th of July because of my job. So work from home from Ahmednagar was not possible because I didn't have a system, because as a game tester you need a hardware to perform a test. So yeah, that's why I came to Pune. New normal. I went there, that's the service center of Royal Enfield. But they told me that there is a lunch break from 1 to 2. They told me that they don't have the kit for cleaning and lubricating the chain, so I'll have to wait. And I also haven't eaten anything since morning, so I'm guessing I get some Burger King or something.
don't know if you can see, but there are two rainbows. This is the main. This go all the way. But second one is here, which is very lighter. I hope you can see. Of course, camera is not doing justice, but there is the second one. बहुत हल्का है.
Here where I live, यहाँ पे पावर कट का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा है. लाइक दिन में 3-4 बार जाती है. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक फॉर 15 to 20 minutes. It goes from 2 to 3 hours, 4 to 5 hours, sometimes 12 hours. So I'm gonna leave this room pretty soon, like in month or so. And that's why because of the power cut, मेरे SSD में bad sectors create हो गए थे. That's why my PC wasn't booting up, which was provided by the Ubisoft. So I requested another one. Here is the second one CPU provided by the Ubisoft, which I got yesterday. And let me tell you the specifications, which are ridiculous. 32 GB of RAM, i7 9th generation, and GPU is RTX 2066 GB, 500 GB of SSD and 2 TB of HDD. And if you estimate the price of it, it is around 1 lakh easy. And this is the monitor provided by them. And the yesterday story, I went to the Royal Enfield showroom and I only wanted to lubricate my chain, but इतना reasons देते हैं ना, इतने बहाने देते हैं वो लोग साले. इतना बड़ा गैरेज है. यू आर टेलिंग मी दैट यू कांट इवन लुब्रिकेट अ चेन, लाइक यू कैनॉट क्लीन इट विथ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डीजल और पेट्रोल समथिंग. दे वर टेलिंग मी दैट दे डोंट हैव अ किट विच इंक्लूड्स क्लीनर, लुब्रिकेटर. हाँ, they were telling me that they don't have a kit. So I told them to get it washed, like it will be cleaned then, right? I told them to wash the bike, but of course वहाँ पे भी light नहीं थी. So without cleaning, I told them to apply oil over it. So वही किया और it kinda solved my problem temporarily. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do that, because I'm gonna try and upload more vlogs. They might be short and simple, they might be only short. I don't know about the simple, but yeah, I'm gonna try to upload more frequently, like at least one vlog per week. And I totally forgot, it's first Sunday of August and it's Friendship Day. So big virtual hug to you guys and happy Friendship Day. Okay, bye.